Good morning everyone, my name is Roman Medicap. For today's video, I would like to explain to you on how to solve differential equation using Laplace transform. For today's number 1, 3t plus 12 using the Laplace transform, Laplace over function of d, the integral of e, the equation of is t, function of dt equals to function to s using of integral form. It is to resolve as a function of is 3 over s squared plus 12 over s. Number 2, the cosine x squared omega t, it is going to use a cosine. From relation, it is Laplace transform cosine omega plus equal Laplace 1 over 2 plus cosine 2 omega t over 2 if is 1 over 2 is plus 1 over 2 is over s squared plus 4 omega 2. Number 25. The given is 0.2 is plus 1.8 over s squared plus 3.24 using the middle of transposing a separating of 0.2 over x squared plus 3.24 plus 1.8 over x squared plus 3.24, which is the result of Laplace transform. A function of s equals to L power of negative 0.2 is squared power of 2 over plus 3.24 Laplace negative 1 exponential plus 1 point over x squared plus 3.24 using the Laplace transform with the function of s 0.2. It's been take it outside so that only remaining inside the parenthesis was s over s the power of x squared plus 1.8 squared plus Laplace exponential negative 1 with the inside is form 1.8 over s squared plus 1.8 s squared, and the Laplace transform we will cosine at alpha t s over s2 plus s squared Laplace of sine alpha t at e over s squared plus s squared. The alpha was 1.8 Laplace exponential negative 1 if of s equals 0.2 cosine 1.8 t plus sine 1.8, which is the function of s 0.2 with a cross open the parenthesis s 0.8 t plus sine 1.8 t. And lastly, number 34, 4s plus 32 over s squared minus 16. It is the function of s for s squared minus 16 plus 32 over s squared minus 16, which is the Laplace exponential negative 1. It is the function of s Laplace exponential negative 1 for s over s squared minus 16 plus Laplace exponential 1 32 over s squared minus 16, which is to transform it. If you are move number 4 to outside, the 4 Laplace exponential 1, which is result is s over s squared minus 4 squared plus 8 Laplace to negative 1 4 squared minus 4 squared, which is the Laplace each will as cosine alpha t, which is squared minus alpha is the power of e. The Laplace transform becomes a sine, it was hyperbolic and sine hyperbolic alpha t, which is a alpha over s squared means s squared. It is result in hyperbolic, which is alpha. It is was form, which is Laplace transform of hyperbolic function is f over s equals to 4 cosine alpha or t plus sine hyperbolic function of s equals to 4 cosine hyperbolic or hyperbolic cosine 4t plus 8 hyperbolic sign is equals open parenthesis of 40. That's all for my explanation. Thank you.